Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to find viral challenges on TikTok. Now what you need to do is you need to go up on your TikTok. Now what you need to do is click on your profile here. Then you come to those your three dots, this three line. Then you click on TikTok Studio. And here you're going to find anything here. Just come here to creation here. You can see, and this is it. This is all that you already. What you need to do is just you can search the topic. Is it challenges you want to do? Anything here, any trading you want to ask, just come here and you can ask. Now click on is a post or is it curator. You want to see what is happening. This is it. These are the trading curator out here. These are them, and you can just choose anything, and you can also change the country, which country you wanted to say their trading video, your trading challenges. This is where you get to start do everything else. So once you're done with everything, just click on it and you get everything you're doing. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.